What's going on, guys? It's Kadence. It's a good day. I've got my coffee. Where is my coffee? Here's my coffee. Gotta have your coffee. Why is today a good day? Because we're almost at 100 subscribers. The love and support has been unreal. We've had the channel for about a month now or so, which is not a lot of time. It's still a baby. But the love and support so far it's really been unreal. It's been really positive. Appreciate it, guys. So as a DJ, you're in DJ groups on Facebook, you're on forums, you're on Reddit, and everyone's asking, what's the best DJ pool? What's the best DJ pool? Well, I have an idea. Sports season is back, so what I'm gonna do is take the 8 top DJ pools and pit them off against each other bracket style and see which pool comes out on top. I'll be judging on things like price, user friendliness, variety in the record pool itself, and exclusive edits and remixes. And I need your help. I want you to comment down below and let me know what your favorite record pool is and why. That way I have a large number of contenders to work with and I have a better idea what you want to see and who the top 8 are gonna be. And yes, I'm gonna be subscribing to each and every one of these record pools for a month. There's not gonna be any guesswork here. We're gonna find out who's number 1. It's a short video this week, guys, but I need your help. I need your comments. I need you to share this with other DJs so that they put their favorite record pools down below. And you'll want to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that we find out together what is best DJ record pool. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Peace.